Hi everyone, it is time for a class project. This one is to create a track matte transition. Okay, so it can be a Luma matte or alpha matte, up to you. Okay, I'd love you to use your own files that you're transitioning between. If you don't have anything, go to pixels.com. If you, for some reason, can't get to either of these places, you can use some from the exercise files. And I'd like you to find your own transition matte. Okay, so Google around, you're going to have to explore different ones and test them. So that's part of it. Okay, finding ones that work well, some of them that don't. If you as a last resort, I've got one in your exercise files. It's called Matte 5. You can use that one, or at least practice with that one. And for the thing that you actually upload and share, try and find your own transition. You don't have to. You can use Matte 5 if you want. So transition between at least 2 clips. Do a couple, grab a couple of them, string them together, do a couple of transitions, optionally add some music. And if you do run into problems, I bet you will. Transitions using these mattes can be problematic. Some of them just don't work because there's a million people making them. Okay, so let us know issues you had. And if you overcame them, it'd be great because you'd be able to share it with other people and they'll be able to see how they might get around it. If you just couldn't make it work, let us know where you got stuck. We might be able to help, or it might be just a good indication of some things don't work with track mattes. So upload your video, so render it, upload your video to Behance or Vimeo or something else, and share it in the assignments, project section of this page, and also share it on social media. I'd like to see what you made. All right, that is class project number 8, track mattes. Let's get on to the next video.